Okay, so I'm going to explain the flip-flop GK circuit. So for example, if I have 0 in the J and 0 in the K, the final state will remain the same as the previous state of Q. And when we have a 1 in the K, the result will be a 0. And when we have a 1 in the J, the final state will be 1. And if I have a 1 in J and K, the final state will be the previous sample but inverted. So to prove this, I have done a circuit in this program. This is our GK flip-flop, and well, in the J and the K, I'm using Boolean parameters that I can enable or disable depending on what I want. And in the clock, as this flip-flop only accepts rising signals, I have inverted the signal to have only falling signals that can enable this flip-flop. To demonstrate the values, I have here two LEDs connected to the ground. So to prove this circuit, I'm going to run the program, and well, when we have a 0 0, here we have our previous state that was 0, and well, when we have a 1 in the K, I'm going to have a 0, and when we have a 1 in the J, we're going to have a 1 in the Q. And well, if I switch this off, the state will be the same, it will remain. And when we have 1 and 1, we have that the state will be inverted, and as the clock is sending alternate signals, the result will alternate between Q and Q negated. So we can see that our flip-flop circuit is working.